Welcome to our guide on finding the best interactive smartboards. Struggling to choose the right smartboard with so many features like touch sensitivity, display quality, and connectivity options? Finding the best one can be a challenge. We've done the hard work for you, rigorously testing and reviewing numerous products to bring you the top 5 best interactive smartboards. We'll break down their key features and help you understand what to look for to make the best choice for your needs. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Flip 2. The Samsung Flip 2 is a 55-inch interactive display designed to enhance collaboration and productivity in professional settings. With a screen resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, it delivers exceptionally sharp and clear visuals, making it ideal for presentations, detailed project work, and collaborative brainstorming sessions. The high-resolution screen ensures that every detail is visible, which is crucial for tasks that require precision and clarity. One of the standout features of this smartboard is its interactive capabilities. This display supports touch functionality, allowing users to interact directly with the screen. This makes it a perfect tool for meetings, educational environments, and creative workshops where hands-on interaction is key. The touch interface is responsive and intuitive, enabling smooth and efficient collaboration. Users can write, draw, and manipulate content with ease, facilitating a more engaging and dynamic user experience. It also includes one USB 2.0 port, providing convenient connectivity options for various peripherals and external devices. This allows users to easily connect laptops, tablets, and other devices to share content directly on the screen. The display's design is sleek and modern, with dimensions of 51 by 2.35 by 30.2 inches and a light gray finish, making it an attractive addition to any professional setting. Weighing 76.8 pounds, this smartboard is robust and stable, ensuring durability and reliability for frequent use. Its substantial size and weight underscore its presence as a serious business tool, while the light gray color complements a wide range of office decors. Overall, the Samsung Flip 2 is an impressive interactive display that offers both high performance and user-friendly features, tailored to meet the needs of modern professional environments. Number 4. JYXOIHUB Electronic Whiteboard. The JYXOIHUB 65-inch smartboard is designed to provide an engaging and interactive viewing experience. With its expansive 65-inch screen, users can immerse themselves in vivid visuals and crisp details. The TV's dimensions, measuring 65.75 by 9.84 by 41.34 inches and its weight of 104.1 pounds, make it a prominent addition to any living space, offering a substantial presence that commands attention. Its aesthetic appeal is matched by its functionality, making it a stylish yet practical choice for home entertainment. The 16 by 9 aspect ratio ensures that movies, TV shows, and games are displayed in their intended format, providing a cinematic experience. The board's interactivity is further enhanced by its potential smart features. Users can expect to access streaming services, connect to the internet, and integrate this smartboard with other smart home devices. In terms of performance, this board is built to deliver high-quality visuals and sound. The large screen size ensures that every detail is visible, making it ideal for watching high-definition content and playing video games. The glass material type not only contributes to its elegant look, but also enhances the clarity and brightness of the display. Overall, the JYXOIHUB 65-inch smartboard offers a blend of style, functionality, and interactivity. It is designed to be a centerpiece in any home, providing an immersive viewing experience that caters to modern entertainment needs. Number 3. HKMLC Smartboard. The HKMLC Interactive Smart Whiteboard, featuring a spacious 75-inch 4K UHD touchscreen, embodies a cutting-edge interactive experience tailored for collaborative environments. Its glossy screen surface enhances visibility and engagement, while the 16 by 9 aspect ratio ensures compatibility with various media formats. Powered by advanced hardware, including 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM, the whiteboard delivers robust performance ideal for intensive applications. The integration of Chromium OS further enhances its functionality, supporting seamless operation and facilitating easy access to a range of digital tools. Central to its appeal is the innovative infrared induction technology, enabling precise 20-point touch writing with a remarkable 8-millisecond response time. This feature ensures a natural and fluid interaction, akin to writing on a traditional whiteboard, making it an intuitive tool for brainstorming, ideation, and collaborative sessions. Multi-user capability allows simultaneous input from multiple participants, fostering dynamic group discussions and creative exchanges. The whiteboard's versatility extends beyond physical meetings, offering seamless integration with leading video conferencing platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. This capability enables remote collaboration, allowing teams to engage synchronously, regardless of geographic location. The open application ecosystem further enhances flexibility, supporting integration with a variety of software and applications tailored to diverse workflow needs. Designed as an all-in-one solution, the whiteboard combines the functionalities of a projector, interactive whiteboard, computer, television, kiosk, and audio system. In summary, the HKMLC Interactive Smart Whiteboard represents a sophisticated toolset that redefines collaboration through its advanced interactive features, robust performance, and seamless integration with modern digital workflows, catering to the needs of diverse user environments effectively. Number 2. LINGHUFOX 86-inch. The LINGHUFOX 86-inch interactive whiteboard represents a cutting-edge solution tailored for interactive collaboration in professional settings. Boasting a powerful 4-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of ROM, and running on Android 11.0, this whiteboard ensures swift performance and low latency, delivering a superior user experience. Ideal for large meeting rooms, exhibition halls, and classrooms, it integrates seamlessly into various environments, supporting diverse applications from presentations to remote video conferences. Equipped with an advanced AI camera and 8-array microphones, the LINGHUFOX whiteboard enables high-quality, face-to-face virtual meetings, reducing travel costs and enhancing remote collaboration. It supports popular third-party video conferencing platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and WebEx, ensuring compatibility and flexibility for different organizational needs. The interactive capabilities of the LINGHUFOX whiteboard are particularly noteworthy, supporting up to 20 points of touch simultaneously. This feature fosters seamless interaction among multiple participants, making it ideal for brainstorming sessions, collaborative projects, and interactive presentations. Users benefit from intuitive tools like smart drawing, shape recognition, and easy annotation, facilitating efficient communication and content creation during meetings or lessons. Moreover, the LINGHUFOX whiteboard offers a robust application ecosystem, allowing users to download software from the Google Play Store or via USB. Its multitasking capabilities include a convenient sidebar for quick app switching and split-screen mode, enabling users to multitask effectively and access information without navigating away from the main screen. In conclusion, the LINGHUFOX 86-inch interactive whiteboard excels with its powerful hardware, extensive connectivity options, and intuitive features, making it an indispensable tool for dynamic and efficient professional collaboration. Number 1. Vibe S1 Smartboard. The Vibe S 175-inch standing screen display presents an expansive canvas for interactive applications, boasting a vibrant 3840 by 2160 resolution that enhances visual clarity and detail. This high-definition display is particularly suited for interactive environments where precision and immersive engagement are paramount. Powered by a Rockchip processor and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, it ensures smooth performance at 60 Hz. Supporting seamless transitions and responsiveness essential for interactive use cases. The integration of a dedicated graphics card further enhances its interactive capabilities, though specific details on the card type are unspecified. Designed on the Chrome OS platform, the Vibe S1 aligns with Google's ecosystem, offering compatibility with a wide range of applications and services that facilitate collaborative and interactive experiences. Whether used in educational settings, corporate environments, or for creative purposes, its robust hardware supports multitasking and multimedia content creation. Weighing 172.7 pounds and measuring 67.7 by 3.4 by 40 inches, this substantial screen requires a dedicated space but ensures stability and durability suitable for prolonged interactive use. The white color and sleek design contribute to its modern aesthetic, blending into various settings without being obtrusive. Moreover, the estimated average battery life of 5 years underscores its reliability and longevity, catering to continuous interactive sessions without frequent interruptions for maintenance or charging. This model reflects their commitment to delivering high-quality interactive displays tailored for professional and educational applications. In conclusion, the Vibe S 175-inch standing screen display stands out for its interactive prowess, combining powerful hardware with intuitive Chrome OS integration to cater to diverse interactive needs effectively. In conclusion, these top interactive displays exemplify the pinnacle of technological innovation in enhancing collaborative environments. From Samsung's Flip 2 with its precise touch interface and versatile connectivity to Vibe S1, offering an expansive 75-inch high-definition display. Each model excels in meeting diverse professional needs, whether facilitating dynamic brainstorming sessions or enabling seamless remote collaboration. These displays redefine efficiency and engagement. As technology continues to evolve, these interactive solutions from Samsung, JYXOIHUB, HKMLC, LINGHUFOX, and Vibe stand as a testament to their commitment to advancing productivity and interactivity across educational and corporate settings alike.